Hey there, defense enthusiasts. Today I've got some groundbreaking news that could reshape the defense landscape. France has made an unprecedented offer to India. 100% technology transfer for the development of a 110kN engine for India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft or AMCA. Imagine this, a fifth-generation fighter jet powered by a cutting-edge engine, all developed indigenously with French technology. But that's not all. France's proposal also includes tech transfers for underwater drones and support for constructing nuclear attack submarines. Talk about a comprehensive offer. So why is this a big deal? First, let's talk about the AMCA engine. The 110kN engine is vital for the performance and capabilities of this next-gen fighter jet. With this technology, India can accelerate its defense modernization and reduce dependency on foreign suppliers. But the offer goes beyond just engines. Underwater drones are becoming crucial in modern naval warfare, and nuclear attack submarines, they are game changers in maritime security. By offering these technologies, France is signaling a strong commitment to its strategic partnership with India. Now let's dive into the significance of this offer. France's willingness to share such advanced tech is a testament to India's growing global stature. This partnership can lead to joint development and production opportunities, boosting both nations' defense sectors. For India, this is a golden opportunity. The AMCA engine has been a long-standing requirement, and getting this tech from France could fast-track its development. Plus, the geopolitical implications are huge. A stronger Franco-Indian alliance sends a clear message to the world, especially in the Indo-Pacific region. Speaking of the Indo-Pacific, this offer has significant regional implications. Enhanced Indian defense capabilities, especially in the maritime domain, could shift the balance of power. Countries like China and Pakistan are already watching closely. The Franco-Indian partnership aims to promote a free and open Indo-Pacific, addressing shared challenges like maritime security and regional stability. But there's a flip side. Advanced military tech transfers to India could escalate regional tensions. It might trigger an arms race or heighten existing rivalries. How other regional players respond remains to be seen. To wrap it up, France's offer to India is more than just a tech transfer. It's a strategic move with far-reaching implications. It strengthens the Franco-Indian partnership, enhances India's defense capabilities, and impacts the regional security landscape. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more defense insights. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and the seas.